Welcome to 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten Storytime. I'm Lisa Springer, Children's Librarian at the Kate Waller Barrett branch of the Alexandria Library, and this is my friend Gator. And Allie is really excited today because we are in the story room of the Barrett branch filming today. Usually we film these episodes at our house, but you know, no matter where we're filming, the books that we read here count towards your 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten book list. And if you don't have one, stop by the next time you're in the library and ask us for one. You can get a paper kit at any branch of the library, or you can go right on the website and sign up there. So what are we doing today, Allie? Do you have something in your mouth to show me? Oh, what's that in your mouth, Allie? Let's see. Oh, that looks neat. Come on. Stop that. Come on. We're not playing tug of war. Come on. Let me pull on it. Come on, Allie. Help me. It's a green scarf. Yeah, this is one of the scarves that we use when we dance at the library, one of our color dance things. So are we doing things about the color green today, Allie? What can you think of that's green? Oh, you're green, that's right. Alligators are green. And let's see, spinach is green. The grass is green, at least in the summertime. The trees are going to have green leaves on them really soon. Oh, what? Oh, there's something behind me? Shamrocks. Shamrocks are green, and shamrocks are for St. Patrick's Day, and it's St. Patrick's Day this week. So we're thinking about St. Patrick's Day as well. And you know what I think of when I think of St. Patrick's Day? Peas. Because if you're a gardener like I am, St. Patrick's Day is when you're supposed to start planting your peas in the ground. And I have a rhyme about peas for you. You ready? Can you hold your hand like this? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Pretend that they're peas curled up in their pea pod. Have you ever seen a pea pod? Next time you go to the supermarket, take a look in the vegetable section and you can see peas in their pods. They have them there. 5 little peas in a pea pod pressed. One grew, pop, another, pop, and so did all the rest, pop, pop, pop. And they grew, and they grew, and they would not stop until one day the pod went, pop. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little peas in a pea pod pressed. One grew, pop, another, pop, and so did all the rest, pop, pop, pop. And they grew, and they grew, and they would not stop until one day the pod went, pop. And inside that pea pod were all the little peas. So I think right now is a good time to have a book about little peas. Keith Baker has done a whole series of books featuring his little green peas. And this one is called Little Green Peas. It's a book of colors. Little Green Peas, a big book of colors by Keith Baker. I'm going to start with, what color is that? Blue. Blue boats, blue seas, blue flags, and little green peas. Oh, look at them. They're hanging out on the beach. They're swimming in the water. They're on the boats. That's blue. Here comes red. I think it's a fall day. Red fences, red trees, red kites, and little green peas. And it's taking a whole lot of them to rake up those leaves, isn't it? If you look up there, there's a football. They're having fun, some of them, and some of them are working hard, but it's a beautiful fall day. Blue, red, yellow. Yellow buses and bumblebees. Yellow sun and little green peas. Do you see it says on that bus? It says school. So I think that it's a school trip. And they're playing outside. They're even playing baseball over there. Oh, they're having a good day on their school outing. What color's next? We had blue, red, yellow. Here comes orange. Orange balloons. Orange umbrellas. Orange bubbly drinks and little green fellas. Fellas? They're peas. And they're everywhere. They're watching the balloons from the roof. Looks like maybe they're blowing bubbles up on the roof too. And they're drinking their orange drinks. And they're having a good time under those orange umbrellas. Green. I always think this must be their favorite color. Green vines, green leaves, green sprouts, and watch this. Little green peas. Little baby green peas. Yeah, they're growing. I told you if you plant your peas, you get vines like this. And look on the vines, you can see the little baby peas popping out of their pods. So we had red, we had blue, we had yellow, we had orange, we had green. Purple! Purple mountains, purple skis, purple mittens, and little green peas. They are skiing all over the mountain. Little green peas on skis. So we've had blue, red, yellow, orange, green, purple. What else is left? Silver. Or you could say gray too, I guess. What do you see there? Let me move the book a little. There we go. That's better. I want you to see the whole picture. Silver coins, silver keys, silver plates, and little green peas. Oh, there's peas all over that castle. They're juggling. They have swords, some of them. One of them has a flower over there. It's holding it up for another pea that's on the balcony. That's so sweet. We must be out of colors by now. What do we have? I mean, we've had blue and red and yellow and orange and green and purple and silver. But I think there might be a few colors left. White and black. White stars, black skies. Look, what's that? Little green guys. Did you think about that? They're little space alien peas. Out there somewhere in space. That's the end of the book. But if you look on the back of the jacket, you'll see two of the other books, LMNOPs and 1, 2, 3 Ps. And we have both of those books and lots of other books by Keith Baker at the Alexandria Library. Here's something else that's green, a frog. And we're going to sing a song about frogs. Can you put your hands like this and open them up? And when you open them up, you're going to stick out your tongue. So it's going to go, ah, 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 ah. Yeah, this song's called Little Green Frog. I'm going to scoot back because first we're going to be little green frogs, but then I'm going to need some space because we're going to be teeny green frogs and great big frogs. Hands like this. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day. So we all went, but we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go We're going to be teeny little frogs. Can you put your feet together? We're going to reach forward and try to kiss our toes. Can you try that? See if you can kiss your little toes as we sing. Went the teeny green frog one day. Went the teeny green frog. Went the teeny green frog one day. So we all went, but we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go Now stretch out your legs as far as you can stretch them and put your arms out so we can be great big frogs. Went the big green frog one day. Went the big green frog. Went the big green frog one day. So we all went, but we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go That is one silly song. And now, here's another book. This one is about all kinds of green things. Do you think there's just one color that's called green? Oh no, there are lots of kinds of greens all around you. And you'll see some of them in this book. Green by Laura Vaccaro Seeger. Forest green. Sea green. Lime green. Some of these pages have cutouts. Pea green. What's coming next? Oh, jungle green. Khaki green. That's green. You might not think of it as green, but it's a shade of green, all right. Fern green. Wacky green. Oh, maybe that's April Fool's Day, because zebras aren't usually green, are they? Green grass, but not green zebras. Slow green. Do you see what's slow? Yeah, a slow little caterpillar inching along. Or maybe it's an inchworm. They're green too. Faded green. Yeah, that's what happens when it's been out in the weather a long time, I guess. Oh, glow green. Fireflies. You'll be seeing them again this summer. Shaded green. Yeah, big shady green tree. That's a good place to read a book. All green. But we're not done yet. Never green. No, stoplight's always red, isn't it? Stop sign. How about no green? Well, that's been in the winter. No green in the winter. Look, new green coming out in the spring. A new little plant. Forever green. The trees, they come back every year with their beautiful green leaves. And that's the end. Can you think of other things that are green? Next time you go outside, take a look and see if you can find some new shades of green. This is Green. It's by Laura Vaccaro Seeger, and it's available along with some of her other books right here at the Alexandria Library. Allie and I have to say goodbye right now. You don't want to say goodbye? It's time to go home. You know what we're going to do when we go home? We're going to take home a big pile of library books, so we'll have something to read next week on YouTube. That sound like a good idea? And we hope that we will be seeing you later here on YouTube, and we especially hope that we'll be seeing you at the library, and that you'll be coming to get a great big pile of books. You give him a big kiss, Allie? See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. We love you. Bye.